Hello. Today I will be giving my Introduction to Communication Mastery Assignment 3v5. I do not have a live audience for me today, but this is my note card, my outline, 3x5, and I'll get started. So today I will be going over the Surfrider organization. Around the world, there are over 5.25 trillion pieces of trash floating along the ocean, which, according to the National Geographic, is an all-time high in our nation's history, in our international history. And so, what I would like to talk to you about today is the Surfrider organization and how we contribute to fixing and reducing that problem. So, the Surfrider organization is a community service organization that works towards cleaning the environment and making our beaches and oceans cleaner in particular. And I am well versed in the Surfrider organization, having served for over 5 years as an officer at my school from middle school to high school, and so I know what Surfrider plans to do specifically with hands-on experience. And so today I will be going over what the Surfrider goal is, how you can help, and why it's important. So the first three main points I'll be going over is what are our goals? What do we try to accomplish? And how do we accomplish them? And most importantly, why do we accomplish them? So as a whole, Surfrider is a community service organization aiming towards cleaning our beaches. So moving on, I'll be going over what in particular we do as an organization. Surfrider organization is basically an organization where we go to beaches primarily and pick up trash, but we also have other events where we have plastic recycling drives and things like that. So the Surfrider organization is Surfrider organization, our main goals are to preserve the beaches in the future so that other future generations can use them and create cleaner earth before it's too late for anyone to use the beaches or for us to live sustainably in the future anymore. And so with this, according to the Surfrider missions page, we've collected over 1,000 pieces of trash each month. 1,000 pieces of trash. That means 12,000 every year. And for every year, that's 12,000 pieces of trash that isn't going into the ocean. And this helps you become more interactive with the organization because you know that you are having a profound impact on what we try to accomplish, allowing everyone and anyone to join. And so Surfrider organization, in the end, basically aimed to go clean our beaches and our oceans. And so moving on with that, I'll be going over how exactly do we do that. So the way we do that is we have divisions. Surfrider is an organization divided into different sections across the United States. And across the states we have the Western, Northwestern Pacific, East Coast, and Midwestern, and the Middle West or sections of the chapters in the region. And within those sections we have clubs. And as a whole, we have over 500 currently active sections and clubs contributing to our goals. And so with that, we always have an organization nearby you for you to participate and for you to get hands-on experience so that you know that you are helping the environment just like I am. And so with that organization, Surfrider aims to accomplish our goals by having everyone around our nation get hands-on experience to make sure that they know that they're doing the best they can to keep our oceans and environment safe. And with that, Surfrider organization also has DCMs or divisional club meetings. So in every section there's like a monthly divisional meeting where leaders come together and they have a large beach cleanup with everyone around the section. And so we have a large beach cleanup where we average about 500 pounds of trash collected collectively. And so with that, we have numerous pieces of trash going to being recycled or thrown away properly so that they aren't harming any animals in the future, because we know that that won't be going into the ocean. And so in short, Surfrider organization accomplishes their goals by dividing into different regions, specifically with clubs and chapters across the nation. We have the head and then the workers underneath. And so with that, I'll be moving on to our third and final point. Why do we accomplish what we do? The reason why we accomplish the things we do is to live sustainably. If we continue on the track we are living right now, according to the Surfrider organization, according to the NRDC, over 1/3 of all the ocean animals are heavily endangered, including 1/3 of all shark and shark-related species. That means that within the next 5 years, every one of those species will be extinct or heavily endangered furthermore. And so with that, we have to come to a realization that if we continue on the track we are living right now, there won't be any more animals in our system, which means in the ocean, the food chain and food web will collapse. As we have less and less sharks, that means less and less predators to go feed on the fish. That means more a rise in the fish levels, which means an overconsumption of resources that we are currently seeing right now. For example, we have coral bleaching along our Great Barrier Reef because of high temperatures that make the coral die out. With the corals dying out and a higher fish population, there's not a stable home for these fish to live in, meaning that they have to migrate to other parts of the world and try to adapt while we are forcing them to move away for our own benefit. Surfrider organization reminds us and you that in order for us to live sustainably, we have to do what we can, and that is cleaning our beaches and keeping ourselves clean. If we do not, our human race as a whole will not be able to live in the future like we are currently right now. We won't have the luxuries that we have of a beach, a clean waterway, a clean water system that we are guaranteed of drinking water source, and a life of biodiversity that we are losing every second, every day. And so I encourage you guys to go join Surfrider, and so that you can be a part of this organization and say that you are contributing to cleaning our environment. So with that, I'll be ending with this. Moving on, Surfrider organization is what we accomplish through why we do this is because we want to make sure we can live for future generations. And so Surfrider organization, most importantly moving on, is why we do this. Now, ending with this, Surfrider organization is an organization open to everyone. Anyone can join in. There's always a region or club specific to you for you to join. So it's really up to you if you want to help or not. And so the reason why I taught you about Surfrider is so that you know what we do, how we do it, and why you should do it and why we do it. And so with that, I would like to say, if you join Surfrider today, you can help us reduce and prevent the future pollution of trash and reduce the 5.25 trillion pieces of trash floating across the ocean. Thank you.